Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. Let's start now. How to disappear and transform yourself. What if for the next few months you stop showing your life to the world? No updates, no validation, no telling people what you are doing, just silence, just focus, and just growth. Because sometimes the most powerful things you can do in life is to disappear, not physically, but mentally, emotionally, socially. You stop being available to distraction. You stop being controlled by opinions. You stop seeking attention. And for the first time, you start focusing on yourself. Yes, because real transformation does not happen in front of people. It happens in silence. Why you need to disappear right now? Your life is full of noise, constant notification, endless scrolling, comparison, opinions. You are always watching others, always reacting, always thinking about what others are doing. And slowly, you forget your own life, your own goals, your own purpose, your own growth. Your energy become divided, your focus become weak, and your life become average. Not because you lack potential, but because you lack focus. That is why disciplining is powerful, because it removes noise and bring clarity. If you truly want transform, you must disconnect, no partly, completely. Limit social media, stop endless scrolling, reduce unnecessary talks, avoid negative environment. Yes, avoid negative environment because every distraction is stealing your future. Every hour wasted is a piece of your life gone. And that time, it is the only things you cannot get back. So protect it, respect it, use it wisely. Stop talking about your plans. Most people love to talk. They talk about their dreams, they talk about their goals, they talk about what they will do, but they never do it. Talkings give you a false sense of progress. You feel like you are doing something, but in reality, nothing is changing. That is why stay silent. Don't tell people your next move. Don't explain your plans. Work quietly because real progress does not need an audience. Yes, transformation is not a decision, it is a routine. Wake up early, work on yourself, learn daily, improve your skills, train your body, and train your mind. And repeat every single day. No excuse, no breaks. Consistency create power, and power create result. Your biggest battle is inside your mind. Doubt, fear, overthinking, laziness, excuses. And these are your real enemies. If you can't control your mind, you can control your life. So train your mind, focus your thought, remove negativity, and replace it with action. Because action destroys doubt. You don't need approval. You don't need people to understand you. You don't need people to support you because most people want, and that is okay because you are not doing this for them. You are doing this for yourself. Your growth is personal, your journey is personal. So stay focused, stay committed. If you stay consistent, if you stay silent, if you stay focused, sometimes powerful happen. You change. Your mindset change, your habit change, your confidence grow, your discipline grow. You become a completely different person. And that is a transformation. Disappear for a while. Not to escape life, but to rebuild yourself. Cut the noise, focus on growth, work in silence, and when you come back stronger, come back sharper, come back unstoppable. One day people will notice. They will say, "You have changed." They will ask, "What happened?" And you will smile because they did not see your struggle. They did not your discipline. They did not see your silence. They only see your result. Yes, it's a bitter truth in life. If this message helped you, subscribe to the channel because here we build our discipline and powerful life and etc. Stay happy and I will meet you in next video.